7-day healthy meal plan for diabetes patients. Control blood sugars naturally. So you're welcome back to another videos. In this video, we're going to show you 7 healthy dinner for diabetes for 7 days. Do you struggle to decide what to eat for dinner as a diabetics? You are not alone. Choosing the right dinners can mean the difference between stable blood sugars and a night glucose spike. In this video, we will go through 7-day healthy dinner plan designed to keep your blood sugar balanced, simple, delicious, and affordable meals you can prepare at home. Day 1, which is Monday. Grilled fish with steamed vegetables. Start your week light and refreshing. Grilled fish paired with steamed broccolis and carrot. This dinner is high in protein and fiber, helping slow down sugar absorption and keep you full longer. Day 2, which is Tuesday. Brown rice and beans with cucumber salad. Beans and brown rice are rich in complex carbohydrate and magnesium, two nutrients that help improve insulin sensitivity, and a fresh cucumber salad with a touch of lemon juice for extra hydration and flavor. Day 3, which is Wednesday. Unripe plantain porridge with spinach. Unripe plantain is a diabetic-friendly carbohydrate rich in resistant starch. Cook it with spinach, onion, and a bit of palm oil. This combination supports heart health and stabilizes blood sugars overnight. And day 4, which is Thursday, okra soup with lean chicken. Okra is a natural blood sugar regulator. When combined with lean chicken, it offers protein and fiber that slow glucose release into the bloodstream. Serve with a small portions of millet swallow or earth fufu. It will be okay. Day 5, which is Friday, moi moi and vegetable salad. Enjoy a light and protein-packed dinner with moi moi made from beans and olive oil. Pair with vegetable salad. This helps you maintain your glucose level before bedtime while supporting digestion. Day 6, which is Saturday. Boil sweet potato with tomato stew and egg. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotenes and have a low glycemic index compared to a white potato. Top them with tomato stews and boiled egg for a balanced dinner that nourish your body and mind. Day 7, which is Sunday. Vegetable soup with whole wheat swallow. You got to end your week strong with vegetable soup packed with ugu, water leaf, or bitter leaf. Add a small portions of whole wheat swallow, high in fiber and easy on your blood sugar. So here is a bonus tip for you. Always eat dinner at least 2 hours before bed. Avoid soda, white bread, and fried food at night. And remember, staying hydrated helps your body balance sugars naturally. So if you find this helpful, subscribe to Shuaibu Health Talks on YouTube, like this video, and share it to help others living with diabetes eat better and live longer. See you in my next video, and bye for now.